Hi, and welcome to Coffee Cred. My name is Ryan Tracy. I'm not a coffee grower or a barista. I'm just an average Joe who enjoys the finer things in life, and one of those things is coffee.
I've done a bunch of research on coffee, and now I'm going to share my findings with you so that you don't have to do all the legwork. I'm going to walk you through different aspects of coffee, including its history, its origins, types of coffee beans, types of coffee drinks, coffee tasting, and coffee culture. I'll give you tips on what to look out for when buying coffee off the shelf and from a cafe. I'll give you advice on buying a coffee machine, and I'll explain how to use the machine. So all you need to do is take in my knowledge and shortcut your way to Coffee Cred. As you progress through the course, feel free to ask a question in the Q&A section or to answer a question. And don't forget to explore the resources to extend your learning. Do the quiz at the end to test your understanding of the key concepts. Also, if you would like a digital badge to show off your Coffee Cred, refer to the instructions at the end of the course. I really hope you enjoy the course. Good luck.